Well, we're going to show you this very nice Keeling & Co. Oxford pattern platter made by Keeling & Co. The design or pattern is Oxford. It's 14.25 inches in length. This oval serving platter got this very nice design in a sort of silvery blue and white decoration, really nicely conserved. You can see the glaze reflection on there, occasional knife mark over it, but absolutely otherwise in very good condition. On the rear, if we just show you the China marks, there we go, Oxford K & Co for Keeling & Company, and the RD number 186398 or 9. It's partly hasn't transferred on. Nice bit of patina on the base plate showing its age. It is marked, I think that's 12, and then it's got a 2 in press mark there as well. Not sure of the significance of either of those two. A lovely piece. If you're a collector of Keeling & Co, you know they made these really nice sets in the sort of late Victorian period, 1890s through to around 1900, and this is a fine example of their work in ironstone china, beautifully transfer printed and in very fine condition. Further details can be found on the Vintage and Antiques website, and if you follow the link description through that we'll put in YouTube below, will take you through to the website listing for this particular platter. Thanks for watching.